If you're looking to boost your skills or earn certifications without breaking the bank, you've probably heard of Sailor Academy, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another free course platform. The surprising truth is that Sailor combines completely free courses with optional verified certifications, making it an excellent choice for self-learners who want credibility on their resume without the cost of traditional programs. Sailor Academy offers hundreds of courses across subjects like business, computer science, math, and humanities. Each course includes structured lessons, quizzes, and final exams. The content is self-paced, so you can learn on your schedule, whether that's a few hours a week or a full-time sprint. One of the platform's biggest advantages is its verified skill certifications. While the courses themselves are free, you can pay a small fee, usually around $25, to take a proctored exam and earn a certificate that employers recognize. This is a huge benefit for students or professionals looking to validate their skills without spending hundreds of dollars. Another standout feature is the integration with external programs. For example, some Sailor courses align with college credit opportunities through partner institutions, potentially saving you time and money if you are pursuing formal education. The learning experience itself is straightforward but effective. The interface is simple, focusing on lessons, exercises, and exams. You won't find flashy gamification or mobile app bells and whistles, but the emphasis is on mastering the material. Most users appreciate the clarity and depth of content. In conclusion, Sailor Academy is perfect for motivated learners who want free, high-quality courses with the option to earn verified certificates. It may not be the most visually engaging platform, but the content is strong, structured, and credible. If you're self-disciplined and goal-oriented, Sailor can help you expand your skills and build a resume-friendly certification portfolio without huge costs. If this review helped you understand whether Sailor Academy is right for your learning journey, subscribe for more platform reviews, skill-building tips, and ways to advance your career efficiently.